Something that you've talked about when you went skiing, you love this. Preparation lip treatment. What is it about this product? Because you use this consistently.
Yeah, every day, like multiple times a day. It smooths my lips and it keeps them from flaking. I don't get the flaky lips in between. It really, it absorbs, and I feel like it moisturizes from within.
Also, something I always am mindful, and I always talk about this with people when I'm doing this in the class. Put it outside the lip also. Mm-hmm. Over time, you'll see it begin to fill and plump up that area.
Yeah, and I find that even when I don't use a liner, when I use this, my lipstick doesn't bleed.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, I don't have any bleeding into
that's
the
cool.
lines. Yeah.
It's good to know.
Yeah.
Cool. I got you to use the Illuminating Contour Eye Treatment, and you put it under the eye, and you also can put it on the lid. And what you found out,
that crepey little texture kind of went away.
Which
it really smoothed, and I've used eye creams before, and I haven't ever had anything, smooth that out.
And I just press it on to under the eye. Don't get it too close to the line where the lashes are, because it could seep in. And then I bring it also up into the crease. And this will help with puffiness. You can also brush it into this area where Susan was talking. She had, it removed that crepiness. I'll let you do the finish.
Okay.
Well, how do you do it?
With my fingers.
You can use your fingers. Yeah, it's fine. I teach with a brush, and the reason I teach...
you probably get a more precise application.
Do it morning and night. And the other advantage of this product is that it also has ingredients that counteract the light that we get from our phones and our pads and our laptops. It's an anti-aging cream. It softens the wrinkles. It removes darkness. And there's also an ingredient in there that will help relax the muscle to help with the fine lines.
I swear by this. It's the one that really works, that I've noticed a difference. And I've tried all of the hot, eye creams that everybody raves about, and this is the one that I've really noticed the most difference with.
Yeah.
Usually if I have used maybe a serum or something, I'll put it on over the serum, or at night I use my Retin-A, I'll put it on over the Retin-A.
Okay. I use the brush coming upward also. This can also come down into the décolleté area. It'll help with that. I'll let you finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody told me you should always work on your neck, work up.
Upwards. Yeah.
Because it's just, any little thing you can do to...
Perfect.
All right.
Yeah. Super All Day Moisture Cream is an anti-aging cream, but it's light. It's great under makeup. It lasts 20 hours, and oftentimes I'll just say it lasts all day. It corrects the oily part of your skin in 10 days. It balances the dry part of your skin, if you have some dryness, in 45 days of daily use. Go for it.
Yeah, it feels cool, which is nice. It's soothing, in your skin.
The neck cream has no scent at all.
Yeah.
And the lip and the eyes have no scent at all. But this has a little scent.
Yeah, it's very minimal.
Yeah. So this is Tinted Primer. I think this color is going to work for you. This is fair, so it's a little lighter than light. Start here.
The thing I like about this primer is it's not cakey at all. And some primers, you put them on and they're cakey. And this one is not. It's very dewy, so you can just wear it on its own. It looks great.
The nice thing about translucent is it makes it a little easier. It's a bit more sheer. Perfect, right?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, I've used the light before.
Yeah.
And this is good though. I was worried it might be too light, but it's not. It's
no.
I know. Yeah. Brightens my skin up.
Yep, exactly.
Nicely.
Use a little of this right under the eye, and you can just kind of press it under the eye as a concealer. It just cleans it up.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Perfect. Great.